I'm Sam Box, and I am the district manager for Vulcraft, Texas, in the Dallas market.
My name's Brian Irwin. I'm president at Irwin Steel.
Partnership would be the word I would use to describe our working arrangement between Vulcraft and Irwin. We go to bat for each other on every project.
Vulcraft helps us win the tough projects and the tough situations by being partnered with someone that can do everything and anything and will. There is no easy projects anymore. Those days are gone. And so if you're going to continue to work in this market, you're going to have a partner like Vulcraft or you can't.
We trust each other, and we know that we can just have open, honest conversations.
My name is Justin Cunningham. I work at Vulcraft, Texas as a project manager.
And I'm Monty Magner. I work at Irwin Steel as a senior project manager.
Monty and I work well together. I'm his voice to our internal teammates at Vulcraft, Texas. We coordinate schedules, detailing, job issues if they come across.
And Justin's essentially my sole point of contact at Vulcraft. He's the first guy I go to. You know, when we have problems in the field or in production, it's nice to have someone at Vulcraft that I can trust, and Justin is that guy.
I know that if he needs something, it is a true need. It's not someone bluffing to escalate a schedule or this is what they want. It's actually, I need you to do this for me, and I take pride in that relationship.
My name is Chris Davis. I'm a lead detailer at Vulcraft, Texas. The product that we give our customer is 100% accurate. We're doing everything we can to communicate with their PMs, their detailers, and make sure that what we've got is correct so that we don't have issues in the field. And through that, we're building partnerships and creating relationships that are everlasting, and we pride ourselves on it. That's something that we do. We care.
Vulcraft has been timely on submittals, timely on deliveries. Any questions they've had, they've brought them up well before they need them answered so that we can get an answer. And so that's made my job a lot easier. Truthfully, I cannot recall a job where we've had Vulcraft be the problem child. And that's just been a great working relationship.
Vulcraft brings quality and dependency to the table. Irwin still knows that we can count on them. We know that they are a partner. It's not just a vendor. It's someone I can call when I need something. When I call Sam, when I call Vulcraft, I know that it's someone that's listening, that's not just picking up the phone and then hanging it and going back to whatever they were doing. I mean, Vulcraft absolutely makes an attempt to take care of us every time we call.
Right, it's just different with a partner. The look and feel of it, the level of comfort, knowing that you have someone like that on your team, it just makes you feel a lot more comfortable about going into the project from the start.